Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by preparing two essentials, your Google account and your Blogger site. Create a Google Analytics 4 property and add a web data stream. Copy the measurement ID or the G tag. JS snippet. Once done, open Blogger, go to Theme and choose Edit HTML, or use Theme Layout to add an HTML/JavaScript gadget and paste the G tag code into the head section. This connects tracking immediately, so make sure to save and publish the theme changes before moving to configuration. Now focus on configuring what you track and why it matters. In the GA4 data stream, enable enhanced measurement to capture page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and file downloads automatically. Then define any custom events or mark important interactions as conversions, like newsletter signups or affiliate clicks, so you can measure value. Make sure to link Search Console to view organic queries. If you use external domains or payment redirects, add referral exclusions or cross-domain tagging to keep sessions accurate and avoid broken attribution. Finish by verifying and packaging insights for action. Open GA4 Real-Time and Debug View to confirm your site sends hits within minutes. Navigate posts and watch events register. Create a custom dashboard for users, sessions, top posts, and conversions, then schedule email summaries weekly. If you don't see data, first recheck that the G tag/measurement ID is in the head, disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, and confirm you're viewing the correct property. These fixes resolve most installations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.